Hello, my name is Yvonne Pierre.
Michael Nelson.
Hi, my name is Malia Rojas, and I will be introducing our project and discussing the security and threats in cloud computing. In this presentation, we will provide an overview of the rapidly increasing adoption of cloud computing and its pivotal role in modern computing environments. Our research paper is dedicated to investigating the inherent security and privacy challenges within cloud computing, with a particular focus on data storage security and privacy protection measures. Through a deep dive into safety protocol practices, our aim is to uncover key challenges and identify effective security techniques deployed in cloud environments. Furthermore, we will conduct a comparative analysis of various approaches to data and security privacy. Ultimately, our goal is to bolster user trust and confidence in cloud computing services by enhancing security measures and ensuring robust privacy protocols.
The reasoning we chose this project is basically because we're obviously living in a modern world where cloud computing is heavily used and there's a lot of data is usually shared across networks, and it's very easy for that information to be stolen or taken by malicious users. And so we wanted to kind of look at how it has changed throughout the years, throughout the decades of cloud computing, and see what future developments that they plan in the future to continue strengthening and bolstering the defense of cloud computing so that in the future, less likely, hopefully, the data breaches that we hear also common nowadays in multiple aspects of our lives online don't happen as often.
Now let's discuss some privacy concerns, which range from the misuse of cloud resources to the risk posed by malicious insiders. Trans-border data flow and the proliferation of data add further layers of complexity. On the security front, multi-tenancy vulnerabilities and access threats are significant worries, along with ensuring continuous availability and overcoming trust issues. Moreover, complying with legal and regulatory standards such as HIPAA, PCI DSS, and GDPR is paramount. Cloud providers must establish robust measures like creating audit trails, managing the attack surface, and implementing strong identity and access management to mitigate these challenges and foster trust in their systems.
Our project outline is going to focus essentially on cloud computing, privacy, and safety as individuals store their private information from Social Security, tax information, home loans, credit cards, banking information, things that are extremely valuable information that each and every one of us needs as a citizen in society, that's being stored no longer on simple hardware not attached to the internet or to paper trails that are kept in a filing cabinet. These are now being stored in the cloud in these large-scale data storage centers. And they're vulnerable if precautions aren't taken and solutions aren't come to for ways to protect that information. So what we're going to do is continue to study the current solutions and the current challenges and threats that face cloud computing and storage. We're going to look at other options to implement to continue to increase security and data protection in the cloud computing services for individuals and consumers. Our project timeline will start as follows. In week 1, we're understanding the problem, learning the architecture of cloud computing and data storage security that's been employed typically, and assessing the challenges and trust or audit issues that occur. Week 2 will present a progress report of the findings from initial exploration and start documenting other existing solutions and responses to these challenges and threats. In week 3, dive deeper into the evaluation of the solutions and responses with privacy, data security, highlighting any noteworthy specifics that seem to have promise on a large scale. Week 4 will consolidate and organize the gathered data, for potential solutions and responses focused on things that are deemed promising to us. As we continue to document and engage in discussion in the applicability of identified solutions and responses, we'll utilize this information for visual aids as charts, graphs, tables to try to enhance the presentation. And in week 5, we'll compile research materials related to the project and complete the comprehensive report incorporating all of our references, any supplementary materials, and things that can support our findings and conclusions from this research.
In conclusion, we hope to be able to collect data that shows the progress of data privacy through cloud computing throughout the years and see where it's possibly going in the future. Hopefully, from our references, we can get a good base judging from the earlier periods all the way to now and see where we'll be going in the next couple years.